Stay.
He's kind of like, yeah, whatever. Daniel, will you fill it up? No, like all the way to the top full.
There you go. Okay.
He'll come back to me. Hang on, make him stop. Say, oh. There you go.
You got it.
That's pretty much.